Hey guys, it's Abby, and today we are going to be revisiting a fabric haul I did and checking out what items I ended up making from that fabric. Now, I didn't upload the original fabric haul, but I still have all the footage, so now that we're kind of in a lockdown quarantine situation, let's see what I ended up making. If there's anything that you think I should make from some of this fabric, bearing in mind that I still got some of it left over, do let me know in the comments below. Let's get started. So this was approximately £60 worth of fabric, real weighty. Let's open it all up. So let's start off with the fabric that inspired me to do this haul. I was really looking for a ribbed jersey type of fabric, so a fabric that has stretch but also has a ribbing pattern, because I like plain fabrics, but I don't want them to be so plain that there's nothing of interest in them. So ribbing is quite a nice compromise because you have some texture, but it's still a single colour, so it's really easy to put into your wardrobe. So this is how the dress turned out. I really love the colour of the fabric, and I love the fact that the texture gives it a little bit more fun even though it is monochrome. This dress was super easy to style, and it was really easy to sew too. I literally made it from 2 pieces, and as you can see by my close-up, all I did was hem the neck and hem the armhole and sewed the side seams and shoulder seams, and then it was done. So if you want to see a full tutorial for this dress, do let me know in the comments down below. So the next fabric I got in 3 different colours, and I specifically got 1 metre of each colour. That is because I wanted to make a turtleneck top out of it. The top I'm wearing today is one that I made out of some fabric that I've actually had for about 2 or 3 years lying around. And given that it worked out so well, I wanted to make more turtlenecks. And so I got this fabric for £4 a metre. I ended up making this turtleneck top with a really short and cropped turtleneck and these little mini trumpet sleeves, which I absolutely love. I think the fabric worked out perfectly in terms of the stretch and the texture. The one thing that I might have done differently to this design is make it slightly bigger around the neck so that it was easier to put on and put off. Another thing I made from the same fabric, but this time in a different colour, is this peplum style top. The main feature I wanted in this top was this whole pleated detail and the whole idea of the lines going up in a certain direction. And so I kind of just drafted a pattern for this on the fly without thinking too much about how I was going to close the top, if I was going to have a zip, buttons or whatever. Actually, during the course of filming of this, I decided that I want to make this a V-neck top, and I decided that I will fix the sleeve situation by simply hemming the sleeves. Initially, I wanted to use the next fabric I show you to make sleeves for the jacket, but due to the lightness of that fabric, it just didn't seem like a good fit. So the fabric is this suede, or faux suede, so it definitely has the texture I was looking for, but not really the thickness. I really wanted to make an A-line skirt out of this stuff. I'm now slightly concerned it won't have the structure that I wanted, because I want the skirt to be able to kind of stand on its own a little bit. So it's looking like I'm going to need to buy some interfacing to make this work. Just to clarify, I imagined that the white suede with the pink purplish peachy jersey would have been an awesome combination, but really the fabrics just don't really align so well in real life, so I'm still working out what I'm going to do with that white suede. I also haven't made that A-line skirt, so if that is something you want to see here on this channel, do let me know in the comments below. I also got a few meters of this black jersey fabric, and I ended up using this to make a dress. In fact, I made 2 dresses. One is this black dress. I really like the way that it came out in terms of the shape. I think it's actually a bit dark when I normally wear it, so I'm considering adding some lace detailing to brighten it up, but here's just a sneak peek of what it looks like currently. And the second dress I made is this dress, which is part of a 2-piece set. I actually no longer have this 2-piece set because I decided I didn't wear it enough, and so I should discard it from my wardrobe. But here's my one picture of it. So that concludes the fabric haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And really my take-home message for you is that sewing is accessible for anyone. Quite frankly, most of the clothes I wear the most are the ones that I've actually made. Some of the stuff I bought I don't wear for fear of getting it spoiled or something bad happening to it, but the fact that I've made something and I know its entire supply chain and I'm fairly happy with the results and how it looks on me means that I'm a little bit more carefree with how I wear stuff, because I can always make it again. So if you feel inspired by this haul to start sewing from anything you have in your house, whether that's like old curtains or old bed sheets, or if you want to thrift some stuff that you found, or even if you want to buy fabric and make stuff like me, please do let me know how that goes along, and feel free to, send me your pictures via DMs on Instagram. It's still MadebySimstatic. It's been a pleasure making this, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.